Hi guys, Kelly here from Flexico Storage and Floors. Sometimes you guys ask us about pillars and how to get around things. So this is just a very simple corner pillar that we're going to show you how to cut around, and hopefully this will make a little bit of sense to you and know that you can tackle this yourself at home in a DIY situation. So the way you do it is you hold the tile the same orientation that you have been installing it on. So for us, we are installing the loops and the loops going forward. So we've installed from the back coming forward today. So that means that the pegs are facing this back corner. And then what you want to do is you want to sort of line it up with what's going on here. So you know that that's the depth that you want to cut it. So for example, if you come in nice and close and have a quick look here, this tile is going to sit in along this. These loops are going to go under this tile, so we need to mark with about a half a centimetre gap there. And the same applies to here. So you line it up with the tiles here. Again, these loops are going to go under here. And so that's that there. Now these pillars are not always straight. So maybe check this measurement to this measurement. If they're not, then just straighten it up a little bit from that point down to here, and then you just cut this out. Let's do that and show you how this fits in. So that pillar is about half a centimetre out. So it's 17 here and 17.5 there. And for here, we're 7.5 and 7.5. So the bottom one can stay straight. The top one needs to just come in a fraction. So if that one there is saying it's 17, that gives us the half a centimetre gap. And then this one down here, we just want it to be about 16.5. Now it's always better to cut a little less and double check that. So let's just, now you guys won't have to change it this time, but you can use a jigsaw, a circular saw, or something like that to achieve the same result. This is just making it nice and simple for us. Moment of truth. Just needs a little bit more off this end. So I mean, you can always cut a little bit more off. It's very hard to add it back on. And that looks perfect. So I'm going to lift this tile up. Two. Hey presto, all done.